How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and when this video goes live, it'll be exactly 1 week till we are down in Daytona. That's right, guys, Daytona is 1 week away. I'll be leaving Wednesday, heading down. The truck is almost ready. I'm putting it in the shop, or if this video's live, it might be out of the shop or still in the shop. Just doing your basic maintenance and stuff like that, plus my mechanic's gonna look over the truck from head to toe to make sure she's good to go, which I'm 95% sure she is. Or 99, actually. Knock on truck. Good girl. Anyways, so I just want to go over some stuff about Daytona. I want to clear something up real quick, though. If you remember last week, I posted something about Truck Fever contacting me about the pre-meet. What the issue was not, it has anything to do with Truck Fever. He was helping me out. He contacted me, we had a conference call. What it was is Daytona, not Truck Fever, Daytona itself, so the city of Daytona, does not want any sort of style of meets on the beach. So if I advertise a meet and greet on the beach and say 20 trucks show up and we're all just hanging out having a good time, they can technically kick us out and or fine us, or both, or even worse. I don't want that to happen to any of you all, vice versa to me. I want this to be a safe, fun thing to do, guys. After the meet on Sunday, though, there might be something coming up, but we don't know. But anyways, so that's the that's kind of what was going on with that. He was trying to protect me to make sure you guys were protected and stuff like that, so nothing will happen on the truck meet. That's why I'm having the official meet and greet Friday, 1 p.m. till whenever. I'll be in the truck, not the VIP area, but the show truck part right next to the horn blaster tent. Somewhere around in there. Of course, keep checking my Instagram that day. I'll be posting up where I'm at and stuff like that. The whole meet, you can come up and say hi to me. But at 1 p.m., that's where I'm going to be with the truck. So you to come over, say hi, look at the truck, stuff like that, and whatnot. So that's where I'm going to be at right then. If you have any more questions on that, comment them down below or shoot me a DM on Instagram. So that also being said, at any point in Daytona, if you see me, if I'm rolling around or whatnot, don't be afraid to come up and say hi. You know, make sure you announce your presence so you don't scare me and my girlfriend or whoever's with us. It is my 22nd birthday down there. I turned 22 June 1st. So either that night or some night, I'm going out with just my girlfriend and I. If you see us at a restaurant, stuff like that, wait till we get out in the parking lot or something, come up and say hi. But other than that, just come up, say hi to us. We'll be more than happy to talk to you all and whatnot like that. So we'll be rolling around doing all that kind of stuff, guys. But I do want to mention this. Last year, there's a few instances at Daytona that almost got the event canceled. I don't want that to happen to any of us this year. Guys, when you go down there, I understand there's going to be alcohol involved, especially if you're over 20 or 21. I mean, over 21 or 21. I understand there's going to be a lot of guys with trucks, a lot of big names down there. You want to make a name for yourself. You know, you want to get Instagram famous or YouTube famous or whatnot. I understand that. Let's try to be respectful, guys, because we want to keep this meet going year after year. What the envision is for this meet is to basically make it like a Daytona bike week, where it's so synonymous to Daytona that nothing can ever happen to it. Save all the crazy stuff to either after Daytona or just don't do it at all. We want to make this a safe, fun event, guys. Make sure you watch, if you're on the beach, watch out for kids, because for some ungodly reason, parents don't watch after their kids anymore. Go figure. No wonder why this world's so screwed up. But make sure we check that out, guys, because I know some of us have really lifted trucks. I mean, I can see pretty much over my hood, no problem, because I'm only on a leveling kit. But some of you guys with these like 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 plus inch lift kits can't necessarily see the kid that run out, so let's try to make sure and you know, don't do anything that we're not supposed to, guys. So keep that in mind. Let's all have a great time. Let's all have fun. Haven't watched my How Not to Be a Noob at a Truck Meet, go and watch that, because that's a pretty good video. It kind of teaches you some things I've learned about truck meets and stuff like that, how not to be a noob. Let's not do anything crazy on the roads, guys. Let's try to keep the burnouts to a minimum. They have a burnout competition at Daytona Truck Meet, so save the burnouts till then, guys. That was one of the big things last year, was that we're not here to wreck Daytona, we're not here to wreck the town. We're here to show that we are mature, most of us, mature young adults that want to have fun, want to come out, vacation, spend time with our friends and whatnot, have a good time, but we're going to be responsible. So that's my message to you all. I don't mean to sound like a parent. I don't mean to, you probably heard this a bunch, but I do want to keep this truck meet going, guys. This truck meet has a very special place in my heart. So I was supposed to go down on the 15th or 6th, no, the 16th. I was supposed to go down there in 2016 meet that was still on the beach. Couldn't make it due to some personal reasons, some really stupid reasons, some work reasons. But I was so determined to go to Daytona in 2017 that I was not going to let anything stop me. And it was by far the biggest highlight of 2017 for me was Daytona. Because of the fact that I met so many awesome people. It started the channel, really got the channel up out of the ground. And now, look where we're at now, guys. So Daytona has a special place in my heart. I do want to have a huge shout out to Truck Fever and his buddy Billy. Instagram names will be popping up right now for helping me out with the meet and greet and stuff like that. You guys are awesome. I can't thank you all so much. So go over to their pages, guys, and say thank you to them for helping me, you know, come up with a meet and greet. I know a lot of you have been commenting on YouTube, DMing me, asking me if you can meet up with me and stuff like that. Guys, I have no problem doing that. Also, we're probably going to try to do maybe a little bit of a convoy to Daytona International Speedway. So keep an eye out for that, guys, on the location on where we can meet up to do that. But make sure if we do, like, if I give out a location, that you come, you're respectful, because we can get shut down, guys. Cops will come, shut down. There's a zero tolerance policy this year. I don't know if I say that before. Zero tolerance. They're not putting up with any kind of BS this year. So we gotta be respectful, guys. Look out for maybe a convoy to Daytona International Speedway. I'm not sure yet. Trucks, though, Friday can get in at 11. You can register your truck, or if you print it out and pre-registered, you can get into the International Speedway at 11. That way you can set your trucks up, set your booths up, or whatnot like that. So, and then the meet and greet starts at 1 because that's when all the spectators come in, is at 1. So make sure to get there kind of early, guys. It's going to go really quickly. But I just want to say thank you all so much for the support, the likes, the subscriptions, all that stuff. Remember, guys, we hit 3,000 subscribers by June 1st, doing another GoPro giveaway. So thank you all so much for the support, guys. If you like the video, leave a like. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down in the comments. Join the Truck Swarm family, of course, subscribe. All of you, have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.